I analyzed over 1,000 micro-SaaS businesses. The median revenue was $500 a month, but the top 5%, solo founders with no founding, no team, no technical background, quietly making $10,000, $20,000, $40,000 a month. Here's what they figured out that everyone else missed. If you're new here, I'm Zues Ordaz. I run New Gen Marketing Company. We focus on lead generation, automation, and business strategy. I've been building businesses for over 11 years, and in this video, I'm going to show you the exact type of product these solo founders are building and how I built one myself in under 8 minutes using Base44. Quick shout out to Base44 for sponsoring today's video. The link to try it yourself is in the description below, and the exact prompts I used in this video is down there as well. But first, let me show you what Base44 can actually do. Now, most people hear micro-SaaS and immediately think you need to code, or you need a technical co-founder, or you need seed or investor money. That's the wrong lens entirely. Here's the right lens. The most profitable micro-SaaS businesses don't sell software. They sell time back to the consumer. They solve one specific problem for one specific group of people, and those people pay every single month to make that problem disappear. And here's where it gets super interesting. The businesses making the most money are not building for consumers. They're building for other businesses. B2B, because businesses pay monthly, they don't cancel easily, and they actually have a budget. So I started looking at what businesses are already paying for, and more specifically, what they are manually stitching together because nobody's built the right tool for them yet. That's where the opportunity lives. Here's something I know firsthand because I live it every week. I run an agency, and every month I was jumping between 5 different platforms just to manage one client. Calendly to see if they booked, Gmail to track the conversation, Typeform to check if they had filled out the onboarding form, Google Calendar to manage follow-ups, and then a spreadsheet to actually track our revenue and expenses. That's 5 tools at the top of my head. Manual copy and paste every single week, and I kept thinking, someone should build one dashboard that does all of this for me. One place, revenue tracking, lead pipeline, conversion rates, client status, all connected. So I decided to build it myself. Client revenue tracker full build. This is the exact prompt I typed into Base44. I'll put the full thing in the description so you can copy it. I asked it to build a micro-SaaS tool, a client revenue tracker, login screen, main dashboard, monthly revenue, new leads, conversion rate, tasks, a full client database, a form to add new leads, and an analytics view with charts. One prompt. Login and sign up, done. Dashboard, done. Client database, done. Analytics, done. And here's what I need you to understand. This isn't a prototype. This isn't a mock-up. This is a live functional product, the kind of project that a developer would charge $20,000 to $30,000 to build from scratch. I built it in 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Stay with me because this next part is what actually makes this a business and not just a demo. After the build, I connected 5 live integrations. So there was Calendly, Google Meet, Typeform, Google Calendar, and Gmail. All of them live, all of them automated. And Base44 didn't just connect them. It wrote the logic for me. It asked me a few multiple choice questions and what each connector should do. And then it built the automations. Here's what's actually running under the hood once these connectors go live. So every time someone books a Calendly call, that lead automatically gets created in the dashboard, syncing every hour. Every time someone fills out the Typeform onboarding form, that response automatically imports as a new lead daily at 8 a.m. Every time a new Gmail message comes in, the subject line and date get appended directly to the matching lead's notes in real time. Here's my favorite one. The moment a lead's status changes to client, Google Calendar automatically creates a 1-week follow-up event instantly with no human trigger. No manual work, no copy pasting, no 5 browser tabs open at the same time. This is what leverage actually looks like. Not more effort, more infrastructure. And because I know what agency owners actually need, I checked the mobile view too. This is what your clients would see if you were running this as a client-facing dashboard. Full functionality, responsive layout, clean interface. This is a product you could charge for, not someday, but actually right away. And if a client asks for a change, I go back into Base 44, describe the adjustment in plain English, and it updates the whole project. No developer, no ticket system, no waiting 2 weeks. That's a very different thing. If this is giving you ideas right now, you should be taking notes because what I just showed you is not unique to me. Any of you watching this, freelancers, agency owners, side hustlers, you have access to the same exact tool. Hit like if you're still with me. It takes 1 second and genuinely helps more people find this video. Now let's talk about the actual business. Here's how I would price and sell this if I were launching it as a standalone product today. So the target market is freelancers, consultants, small agencies, solo operators, anyone who has clients and is currently managing them across 5 different tools, which if you're running any kind of service business, that's probably you. The price point, $37 to $197 per month, more or less based on the demand you're able to generate, but that's well within what an agency owner or freelancer would pay to stop doing manual work and start having a real system for their business. If you have 10 clients at $120 a month, that's $1,200 a month in recurring revenue. 20 clients, that's $2,400. 40 clients, that's over $4,000 a month. From one product you built in under 8 minutes. And the crazy part is you're not even competing with Salesforce. You're not trying to be the next HubSpot. You're solving one specific problem for one specific type of person. That's exactly the micro-SaaS model that actually works. Here's what I want to leave with you. The barrier to entry has never been lower. I mean that literally. What used to require a technical co-founder or a real development budget or months of building time now requires a clear prompt and less than 10 minutes. Projects expire, systems compound. The people making real money in micro-SaaS aren't the ones with the most coding experience. They're the ones who identified the right problem, built the right solution, and got it in front of the right people fast. Base 44 handles the build, you bring the business idea. The link to try Base 44 yourself is in the description below. The exact prompt I used to build this client revenue tracker is down there as well. Copy it, modify it, make it yours. Shout out to Base 44 for sponsoring this video. If you got value out of this, hit like and subscribe. I put out content on AI tools, business strategies, and real systems you can actually use. This is Zues Ordaz. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.